I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is General Gary Brito. He is Commanding General of the United States Army Training and Doctrine Command. General, wonderful to have you here on Floor Talk. Thanks for joining me today.
Well, Judy, thank you so much for the opportunity. Saying to Mr. Castleton, our local caster, for the invitation. I couldn't be more excited to bring in 2023, not only for the U.S. Army, personally as well, but give the oath of enlistment to some great recruits, 14 of which will be joining the United States Army. Outstanding.
Yeah, and I want you to tell me more about that. I mean, so you are here today, first bell ringing of the year, our first guest on NYSE Floor Talk, so thank you again for joining me. But tell me what just went on the training floor.
Well, the magic of the moment is still soaking in. But over my shoulder, as you saw, 30 recruits representing all the services, 14 from the United States Army, who have chosen to join the service, which is great for our country, great for their opportunities as well. I would also like to thank their family members for supporting them to join. And I talked to several soldiers throughout the morning, some going active duty, National Guard and Reserve, and they're taking advantage of all the opportunities that the United States Army has to offer, over 150 jobs. Some going to be infantry soldiers, some intel specialists, one a cook, one a therapist. And it talks to all the opportunities that the United States Army that can offer. And whether they stay in for a short enlistment or 20 years, educational opportunities, certification opportunities, credentialing, and all the other benefits, tangible and intangible, that come with it will help them. So I couldn't be more proud to give these soldiers an opportunity to serve in our uniform.
So General, talk to me more about what these enlistees can expect to gain by choosing a career in the Army.
Certainly, one, great work ethic. This is a profession, not just a job. So they're joining something bigger than themselves and going to be part of a great team. And as I mentioned, several specialties that they're going to go through, so they're going to get some superb training, not only in basic training, when they go on to train in this specialty skill, whatever it's going to be. Therapist, infantry soldier, jump out of planes. I can guarantee they're going to get great training, great work ethic, profession, have a battle buddy, and then be able to contribute in uniform. And if he or she should get out after the first enlistment or stay in, contribute as well to society after the fact. The work ethic you gain, the professionalism, the skills, the trades, all just fit into our society and help our country.
Talk to me about why this is such a unique career choice.
It's a great profession, and our country needs a strong United States Army, and we've delivered that for many, 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 many years, and will continue to as well. I personally have been in the Army for a long time, well over 3 decades, because I like what I do, and these soldiers will contribute to that. So I'm very confident that we'll have a secure future. I'm 100% confident that we will give them what they need to serve well in the United States Army, and when and if they should get out as well. They will get great training, great leadership, and contribute to the work ethic and fiber that our country needs.
All right, now General, talk to me about you. You oversaw the enlistees with this enlistee ceremony, and but tell me about your background and what you're responsible for.
Well, I am the 18th Commanding General of the United States Army Training and Doctrine Command, and that's one of the major commands in the United States Army. Within the command is our United States Army Recruiting Command, has responsibility for bringing in soldiers to join the Army. The Assistance Command as well, officers, some of which you saw get a Minuteman Scholarship today. So we build that first line of readiness for the Army, bringing in soldiers, training them, retaining them as well to assist the Army. So that's the big role. Me personally, I've been in the Army for 35.5 years, a little bit longer. Love what I do. I'm going to stay in until they tell me to go. I came in as an infantry officer through ROTC, and I've served in a variety of assignments just like everybody, but I love who I serve with, and I know these soldiers will also.
Wonderful. Well, General, wonderful to have you here today.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations on today's ceremony, ringing the bell, and Happy New Year.
Happy 2023. May we all have a prosperous one, and thank you for the opportunity.
And go Army.
Go Army. There we go. Thank you so much.